Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED Lightbar taillight installation guide for 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram LED model. The only tool needed is a T25 Torx Screwdriver. Let's start by opening the tailgate. Remove the two T25 Torx screws securing the taillight. Unseat the taillight by pulling it towards the rear of the truck. Disconnect the brake light connector, unseat the harness holder, then remove the reverse socket underneath the light. Note, the factory halogen 7440 bulb was replaced with an aftermarket LED bulb. Remove the OEM taillight and bring over the new Spyder taillight. Reinstall the reverse light socket, then connect the brake light plug. Feed the wiring harness into the truck. Seat the new taillight, then reinstall the two T25 Torx screws to secure the taillight in place. Close the tailgate and your installation is complete. Let's take a look at the before and after. On the left is the OEM unit, and on the right is our LED light bar. Congrats, you just installed your Spyder Auto LED taillights on your Dodge Ram. Before taking your vehicle back on the road, make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions. Thank you for viewing the Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.